Hey folks, welcome to Innovative Beast. I'm Abhishek Verma, and in this video we are going to learn how we can actually connect the or use SSH with Windows Terminal. We are not here to say that replace the PUTTY with Windows Terminal, but if you're a basic user, you can use Windows Terminal to access SSH. But there are some features that are available on PUTTY that are not available in Windows Terminal. So if you are an advanced user, I would recommend you to use PUTTY. So let's get started. First of all, open your cloud hosting account and go to your projects. Copy the IP address of your project, droplet or instance, whatever you want to say. Copy the IP address and open the Windows terminal. When the Windows terminal is open, type in SSH, then type the username of your instance, droplet, whatever it is. For me, it is root, and write this add symbol and paste over the IP. Hit enter. Now it will ask for the password of your system, not your system but the cloud hosting system or instance or droplet, whatever you want to say. Type in the password, hit enter, and that's it. You are now logged in with your system. As you can see, root at Dialytics, and it is here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.